Excellent. Can we get a suggestion of a two-word combo that begins with M and M, like Mighty Mouse, or?
Motorcycle maintenance.
Thank you. And it presents motorcycle maintenance.
Now, what I'm seeing here is,
broken parts. Parts make a broken hole. Everything is
broken here, and some things are broken
here. Mainly my heart. The only woman who ever told me she loved me was
my mother. And I no longer have her here in this realm with me.
So I'm gonna put some of her into your hog here. X marks the spot.
This is where I shit on your floor. You think you have a better house than me? My house doesn't have shit on the floor.
Well, I mean, it does, but it's not my shit. It's my dog's shit. All over my house. Dog shit.
That's right. That's why I came over to your house, Bill.
I think
I'm hot.
I wish I was with cold
But I think I'm hot.
Yeah, I'm hot.
Yeah. So if you could turn the air down, I'd appreciate it. Hot. 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 Hot.
I like this one.
That one? $50. $50 is free. Everything's gotta go. Everything's gotta
I was
go.
so sorry to hear you're leaving the neighborhood.
Yeah, I gotta get the fuck out of here.
$45. Cash.
I will give you the 50. Can I Venmo you?
Cash.
I'm gonna run to an ATM and I'll be back.
I had to destroy my phone. Bill, I have cash if you want to borrow cash.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, sure. How much you got on me? What can I borrow? I'm good for it.
I don't think that I was just looking at some of the knickknacks.
These are $25 a piece.
For the books?
Yeah. Those are like 5th editions.
You need that cash. Yeah.
You should get cash.
Good luck with wherever you're heading.
Can't tell you. They won't let me tell anyone.
Harry, I'm sorry. I hope I'm not overstepping, but is this about the murders?
You didn't hear it from me.
Yes. How much for the machete?
$3.
$25 books, $3 machete?
Price of shit crazy, oh, 8 families have been murdered with that.
I'm gonna come back maybe. If it's here tomorrow, then it's meant to be.
Nothing's gonna be here tomorrow. I gotta light this place on fire.
I gotta recommend you not do that. Our house is so close.
Oh no, don't worry, we'll take precautions. Implode it. Explode it. Implode it. Your house will be safe.
You were a really great neighbor for a while. We appreciate what you did for our dog when Vincent
I'd kill
died.
another dog for your dog.
Really?
I love your dog.
Okay.
If I had to take dogs where I'm going, you might be out of a dog. I'm not kidding. I would steal your dog.
Okay.
I'd find one on the street or something.
Okay. You know what? My husband's calling. I gotta take it.
I thought he was at work.
Yep. I hear it.
Did you get my call?
I heard like a weird earworm, like a vibration in my head.
We still got it. We still got it.
You do still got it. Hey, do you know Gary is leaving and he's imploding his home?
Gary from 3216?
Yes, Gary.
I'm sorry, the second part. Imploding?
Imploding his home. He's not exploding it because then that would go out. He's imploding it because it's very conscientious, actually.
Oh, would you make me one too?
Oh, yes. I'll make you a Diet Coke.
We still got it. Huh?
Sticky. I have yoga.
Oh yeah? You wanna go to Yoga Sticky?
Gross.
Kyle, where the hell were you? You were supposed to be at work.
I called my wife.
You called your wife, so you left? Are you all sticky?
I dumped a Diet Coke on myself to make a point.
It's worse than we thought. It's going through the roof.
It's going to the roof, Kyle. It's going to the fucking roof.
Hey, would you pass me that Diet Coke?
What's up, Kyle? Sorry, I'm dead. I know my ass about all this shit.
Who was that? Yeah.
The FEC, the Franklin Electoral Committee.
If the votes are through the roof, that's a good outcome for an election. You know what I mean? You want a good turnout.
I don't know, man. I don't know. I should have never run for mayor of this fucking town. Hey, there's been 8 murders this week.
Hey, you're not the mayor of murders, okay? Outside of your jurisdiction.
I'm not going to be the mayor of anything if the FEC doesn't get what they want. All right?
Uh-oh, the numbers are in. They're everywhere.
Hey, you still got it. You still got it.
You're so sticky. How did you prove your point by pouring the Diet Coke on yourself?
You had to be there.
Welcome, Vinyase. It's only going to be you today. Oh,
Oh, we can take our shirts off today?
Now we say the rabbit is the moon.
The rabbit.
The rabbit
Is the moon. What? The moon is hot.
The moon
The moon
is
is
hot.
hot.
And I am not. We're going with a little vinyasa.
The rabbit is the moon.
And-
Hey,
and-
there's no question.
This is my first time just catching up.
You're so sticky today. If your partner is sticky, please touch. If your partner is sticky. Now, why is the rabbit needs to remind you today is the 18th, which means the lotus is mating. Really just fuck that lotus. Fuck it. If your partner is sticky, go ahead and engage. Go ahead and engage. There you go. You have to be the rabbit is the moon. The rabbit is the moon.
Thank you so much for agreeing to have some tea with me.
Of course. Earl Grey. Oh. I'm sorry too.
What did you think? You thought that I wanted you to shove your tongue down my mouth?
Yes, I did, Cindy, because I'm the hot, sexy yoga instructor. And so when pretty young wives ask me to tea, that usually means they want a fucking praying mantis, Cindy.
Hey. See what happened here,
I'm trying to cut back.
Good
Trying to focus more on what I want without, substances getting in the way.
Smart. Hey, would you mind sharing? I don't know if it's bad to say it out loud. What is it that you want?
I've always wanted to be close to the ocean.
Oh, that seems attainable.
I still gotta get there, though. I still gotta walk there.
There's a bus that goes.
You're fucking kidding me.
You'd be there.
No, God, no. I cannot believe it.
You see all the seagulls? They don't live in the mountains.
How am I supposed to know it's a seagull? It's just a bird, right?
It's like an ugly white bird.
Mayor, it doesn't, if I can call you mayor, no, you're not mayor just yet. It doesn't look good when you're spending time with the unhoused.
Why'd you say it like that?
No, I'm saying it just doesn't look good when you're spending time with the.
Why are you saying
Because you have a house, don't you?
Yeah, I have a house. I mean, don't forget me. I mean, we're married this time.
Yeah, you got a house.
Okay.
And
But
what? And the address?
Why do you need the address?
So I can send you celebratory flowers and gifts and candies, edible.
Frank! I gave you this job as a favor, okay? To my good tennis buddy, all right? I've heard all about you. I know all about the baskets, okay? I know all about the midnight trips, all right? I know all about it, all right? You run the numbers, you fetch my coffee, you make sure I'm at places on time, and that's it, okay?
Okay.
What are those?
There are new glasses.
Okay, why are your eyes?
I'm not used to it yet. I mean, listening to you. I'm not used to it.
You've never worn glasses.
I went to Costco for pie. Huge pies. And there's the have an optometry service there. It's boring, sir. It's boring.
Do you need some help with those parties? I can get somebody who has the.
Wait, are those pies?
Yeah. You said you were looking for pies, and you've been standing here staring at them for like 20 minutes.
I guess my eyes aren't what they used to be.
Okay. Well, if you need me to get the lift, let me know. Okay, Tyler. I've only had 6 this shift.
Sorry, did I just read this? Hey, you alright? You got a toothpick stuck in there?
I think it's a toothpick.
You got something stuck in the back of your throat? You want me to get it out? That's a puke.
Duncan, did you put your finger down one of our customers' throats? Okay, I watch the tapes, alright? I watch the tapes every night after I get out of here. I watch the tapes, okay? Alright?
I'm showing him a favor.
Ah! We got a procedure. here, dummies, okay? I don't want a sample, alright? Alright? I signed the samples. I signed the aisles, I signed what you're sampling, I signed the hours, okay? I signed the people, alright? I don't want the sample. I know what's in that sample. I want
Hey, what's got your panties in a lot?
Dad, not that I would love the sample for dinner, but I was wondering if like one day maybe we can have a real dinner. Like Chad and Dominic, they said their dad makes brats and hot dogs and stuff like that.
You can have brought some hot dogs, one little piece at a time.
Mom's never coming back, Dad. Get that through your head.
Or is she?
Carolyn, how long were you standing there?
Dad, who are you talking to?
I've been hiding in the front hall closet for ages. I want to come back.
Or is she?
Carolyn, how long were you standing there?
Dad, you're scaring me. I'll eat the food. I'll eat the food. I love it. I love it.
I love you.
I love you.
I love
what you
I love the way you raise our son.
This is yoga.
Why is your knee bleeding?
Ask them. Ask my students.
Huh?
Ask my students what my knee's bleeding.
Why is it bleeding?
Because you ran into the wall.
Because I ran into the wall because a cobra can go through anything.
Okay.
You own the building. You don't own yoga.
Okay, alright. That's enough of
The
this.
rabbit is the moon.
Okay.
The rabbit is the man.
The rabbit is hot. The
Yeah.
moon is hot.
Cobras can go through anything.
The rabbit is the moon. The moon is hot.
I'm not hot.
Lotus is hot. Lotus is hot. Give over to it, Mr. Building Guy. To the yoga. Come on.
I've never done
Namaste.
I've never done yoga before.
You're doing it.
right
Oh,
now.
you're doing it.
You're in the pose.
Yeah.
That's team pose.
Take that shirt
team.
off.
Take your shirt off.
Here's the floor pants normally.
I have to come down to the police station and pick you up.
Oh, you do Pilates.
And I don't get naked in class.
Okay, well,
I still need to collect bail.
here's your fucking bail.
Yes,
Alright. I'm just right here. Because you're in prison.
Look, I'm sorry, I didn't even realize you worked here. You're not wearing it.
I'm not wearing a shirt, I was doing yoga.
I'll pay whatever it is.
$4,000.
We've got money. That's not the issue.
What do you got on the inside?
My son.
Same.
Alright.
Your son.
Yeah, there's a couple of dead teenagers in there.
I know.
Wait. My son is your son?
No, I'm his principal.
Oh.
Or is he?
What? We're here for Matthew Lillard.
Willard. No relation.
To who?
To the actor Matthew Lillard. He is related to Doug Lillard myself.
Citizens of Franklin. What a week, right? As your new mayor,
Where do you live?
I'm not taking questions. As your new mayor, Franklin is going to be the safest city in Oregon.
What street? What street?
I am not taking questions.
Hey, where do you get mail?
You are on the schedule. I'm not taking questions.
Because I followed you last night, and you circled the block, and you stopped under a bridge.
I welcome every citizen of Franklin to check out our infrastructure.
I want to send you something.
I'm giving out my address. I live in a home in this city.
city, okay?
How far are we from the beach?
This is Oregon. It's west.
Thank you.
Why'd you answer that question?
I recognize our female citizens of Franklin. I feel like
Well, sir, just push down that handle and the house will implode.
That's it. All right.
Give yourself about 10 seconds so you can get out, and best of luck. Yeah, it's great. Again, it's that, 10 alligators, and it will implode. All right, so
All right. Okay. All right. And begin. Okay.
You're not gonna implode it with me here, are you?
Or am I?
you can't implode it with me here. Are you going to implode it with me?
and
Here?
5 other dead ghosts talk to him.
That's right. All 8 of us.
Oh.
Are you going to try to kill us twice? Your crimes can't be imploded.
Just push the lever and count to 10.
1 alligator. 2
3
alligator.